How to fix search bar not working on TikTok on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the way as to how you can fix if the search bar is not working on your iPhone on the TikTok application. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, first of all, what you want to do is, let's say that you are using the TikTok application, you're trying to search for a profile, you're trying to look up some videos, but when you go to the discover page over here, or when you tap on the search icon on the top right corner, you're simply not being able to make any type of search over here. So that could be happening due to multiple reasons, and it isn't really certain that it is only happening due to one particular factor. The very first thing we're going to do is just come to our profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right. After you come to your profile page, tap on the options menu from the top right corner of the screen. From the bottom of the screen, go ahead and select settings and privacy in the gear icon. Once you select settings and privacy, over here you'll be able to see all these options. Now under the cache and cellular data option, you'll find this trash icon that says clear cache. So the very first way to fix this is we will try to delete some of the temporary junk files which our application has stored and which our iPhone or our application don't really need. So just tap on the clear cache button. Don't worry, clearing the cache will not delete your data, it will not log you out of your account, it will not delete any of the downloads which you have made within the TikTok application. All it is going to do is it is going to get rid of some of the temporary junk files. And after that, if this fixes the issue, that's perfectly fine, try to relaunch it. But if it doesn't, then what I'd recommend you do is we'll try to offload the application. So just go to settings. Once we go to settings, go to the option called general, and as you go to general, tap on iPhone storage. Once you tap on iPhone storage, you'll be able to see a list of apps along with the amount of space they're taking. So tap on TikTok over here. Instead of deleting the app, we can just try to offload the application. So before you try to offload, you also have to understand what offloading means. Offloading will basically keep all of your documents and data without actually deleting them. So it is only going to delete the installation file of the application, but it is not going to delete the documents and data, which means that when you reinstall the application, you're going to be logged into your account automatically. All of your downloads are going to remain there. All of your histories and everything on the application is also going to remain there. All it does is that it's going to offload and then reinstall the application. So try this as well. If it doesn't, last but not the least, just go ahead and then press the power buttons as well as the volume buttons together. Try to restart your iPhone by powering it off. What restarting also does is that it might actually go ahead and refresh all of the applications which are actually running in the background. And hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.